Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write 10 best lines on my first day at school. First line, my first day at school was very exciting. Next line, I woke up early. Next line, I got dressed in my new school uniform. Next line, I had breakfast and went for school. Next line, the school was big and colorful. Next line, the playground was full of children. Next line, many children were sitting in my classroom. Next line, we listened stories and played games. Next line, the teacher gave us some homework. Next line, I learned lots of new things on that day. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more latest videos.